We are starting with consonant now. While doing the alphabet, we already saw we have consonants and vowels. Consonant is a speech sound, like here they have given b, t, s, which is not a vowel. So in Hindi, Marathi, when you learnt a, b, k, d, in that only a, if you remember, you learnt a, e, u, a, I, o, au, amaha. That was the vowel sound or swar. And when you learnt yara, lava or b, k, d and all, those are the sounds which are known as consonants. A consonant letter is a letter that represents a consonant sound. Like for example, C stands for sir in city, but k in come. Now you will say English is a funny language. Kabhi kabhi aise bolte hain, kabhi waise bolte hain. No, there are proper rules. If in a consonant you feel why is it pronounced this way, there are rules. Now when C, it has an A after it, O after it or U after it, then this is pronounced as a K. You check and see, cat, caught, cut. So here how did we pronounce it? K sound. But if C has I after it or E after it, then we pronounce it as a S. For example, when we write city, so you will say, why they say S over here, why they say K here? Because that is the rule. The consonant letters which we use in English writing are B, bat or bubble, book, all those start with a consonant sound. C, we just saw it. D, like dog, drum. G, like goat, god. H, now H you have to be careful. We saw earlier in honest, it sounded different because the H was silent. So if we pronounce it like when we say horse, house, so it has a h sound, then it is a consonant. When it is silent, then just after H you have a vowel and we pronounce it from there onwards. J, like jug or K, kite. L, lemon. M, mango. N, net. P, parrot. Q, queen. R, rose. S, seaside. T, T itself is a word, correct? Now, T, if you take a small t, that means uppercase or lowercase, then this is the letter of the alphabet. And if you write T, then this is what we drink. V for van, W for wax, X for Xmas or for xylophone. Now, xylophone is not a good example because you will say, I am not getting the sound. So, that is why the short form for Christmas we write Xmas. Xerox also most people use X. Then Y, yellow. Now, Y is very tricky. If you see Y, this can be a consonant or it can be a vowel sound. Now, you will say, we didn't learn Y as a vowel. Now, consonant, when I say yellow, here you can see Y is behaving as a consonant. But when I say words like cry, fry, try, over here Y behaves like a vowel. How is the sound? Cry, I sound. Okay, it's like an I sound, which is why it behaves like a vowel. There is no word that you can make without a vowel sound. Now here if you say there is no vowel, but then the vowel sound has come from Y. So it is behaving like a vowel in this context. Have you understood? Because if you only put consonants, all consonants together, suppose I put X, W, Q, can you pronounce it? No. we need one vowel at least to be able to pronounce. So each syllable has one vowel. Like when we say intelligent, INTELLIGENT. Now intelligent. In each one you can see that some vowel sound is there. Here I is helping us to pronounce it, here E is helping us to pronounce it, here I and here E. If we had only put N, T, L, L, G, N, T, would you be able to pronounce it? No. You can't pronounce without a vowel. So, when we put Y over here, it behaves like a vowel sound so that you can pronounce it easily. So, you can see Y and finally Z. Z for zoo, Z for zip. So, that is the sound of a consonant. Have you understood? So, just be careful about H, because when H is silent, like for example, when we say heir. Rani Lakshmi Bai did not have an heir to the throne. So, H is not pronounced. This is pronounced as heir. Same like how we pronounce air. Correct? But Rani Lakshmi Bai had hair. This is hair. And the spelling is also different. Be careful. So here H is silent, but here it is pronounced. So here it is a consonant. And here the starting of the sound is like a vowel sound. So we will write an air. But here we will write a hair. I found a hair in the soup. But Rani Lakshmi Bai did not have an heir to the throne. Have you understood how we use consonants? So, all your letters of the alphabet, if you write down, only A, E, I, O, U will be vowels and all the others will be consonants.